So this next module that you're going to be studying is identifying direction. And the idea of this module is a kind of transition from second year, end of second year, into the beginning of the third year. So some of the things that you'll be doing will be kind of orientating or setting your direction for that final year, which kind of consists of two significant projects. So in and of itself, what you're going to be expected to do for this module, for identifying direction, is create a body of practice around some ideas which we'll kind of present to you. So you'll be given a series of lectures that support a kind of contextual, critical background to photography. So I'm just going to approach some different contemporary subjects and give you those lectures and show you some practitioners that are working in those areas. You produce a body of work. You're also required to attend Graduate Plus Week, which is the week after the module launch. Once you've attended that, you need to make some notes of the sessions that you attend and kind of fold those into a professional practice portfolio, which will give us some indication of what you intend to do. Appreciate that what you intend to do when you graduate is actually almost a year away, or more than a year away. So in some sense this is about setting a direction, hence the name of the module, rather than necessarily you meeting or reaching a destination at this point in time. Another key factor of this module will be the putting together your proposal for your dissertation for next year, and I will personally put in a fair amount of support towards you doing that to enable you to make sure that you get the right kind of dissertation topic, because that seems to be the biggest burden and the biggest problem for students, is actually finding the right topic and then finding the material that kind of supports the argument. So everyone wants to do something they're interested in, strongly encourage that, but we need to make sure that it's kind of got enough legs to become a dissertation. So those are the main things. So there's a piece of work in terms of a body of practice. There's some professional practice which we will give you some lectures on, and then also you'll have this Graduate Plus session, so you'll have to present that work at the end. And then there is this a series of lectures which I'll be giving around that give you some sort of contextual background to photography. Everything will be assessed, so the body of work will be assessed at the end, and you will be assessed through the body of work that you hand in, but also through a presentation which you will do live, hopefully, in the room. There's also an element of a video, a short 10-minute video, where you're being asked to talk about a particular theme, and this is one of those things that A, we will be giving you in your lecture series, but B, should inform or start to help kind of focus your ideas in terms of your practice. So that's it, identifying direction. Runs now from the beginning, from the end of February right through to the end of semester 2. The usual days for L5, so Monday and Wednesday. Myself and Ravi will be teaching on it. We're hoping there'll be some additional staff as well, but we're not certain who that's going to be just at this point.